Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to use VLOOKUP function. So we will learn how to use VLOOKUP in Excel. So this is the table: sales report, employee name, their location, date of joining and total sale. And I want that if I enter any employee name here, their location, date of join and total sale automatically appeared. So for this we have to use VLOOKUP function. So first we will create an drop down list. So for the drop down list of employees, you have to click on the cell and now go to data. Here you will see data validation option. Now click on this data validation. Okay, then here you have to search for list. Okay, click on this any value and go to list. Now for the source you have to use this, as we are going to create the drop down list of employees cell, employees name. So you have to click on this and click on OK. Now we can choose any employee name. So I want to choose this. Now go to location. Now what we will do, we will use the we will use VLOOKUP function. So you have to click on that location cell. Okay, now type VLOOKUP. Now here you will see it will ask for lookup value, table array, called index number and range lookup. So first lookup value will be this employee name. Okay, on the basis of the employee name, the location, date of join and total sale will appear here. Now comma, table array. So choose the table, whole table. Now comma, now call index number. So as location is second number column, first number column is employee, second number column is location, so you have to choose 2. Now comma, now it will ask for approximate match or exact match. So I want exact match, so I have to click on it, enter. Okay, so you will see according to the employee name their location is automatically appeared. Now what you have to do, you have to just copy this formula to all the cell. Now if I change the employee name, all thing will automatically changed, will be automatically changed. So like this you can use VLOOKUP function in Excel. So if you like the video, please like my video and also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.